I'm fine. What was yesterday like? Oh, it wasn't bad. You know, if there's no like, dramatic, turbulence, wild waters, you're not gonna have that the gripping. You're not gonna be able to grip your seat.
Yeah, like Jimmy Falcon having linguistics and eggs in the wild, wild west.
That's right. Now, do you like soft drinks? You don't drink soft drinks? I bet you don't.
I don't drink. I don't
No
soft drink.
sugar.
No sugar. No, 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 none of that stuff.
That's incredible.
I try to stay light. I don't eat rice, bread, because I need energy. I need energy. It's all about energy, and you need energy to produce, to create mass production, to be prolific and mass production on my level. It requires a hell of a lot of energy. So I have to find ways to conserve. I have to find ways to reserve, and I have to find ways to have energy, to create energy, to produce energy.
Presupposition and supposition is not the same. Presupposition is to state or assume beforehand. And then you have proposition now as a noun is a statement or an assertion that expresses a judgment or opinion. Proposition as a verb is a proposition. Proposition is probably we hear